Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I already have my face done. I will leave all of the products that I used on my face down below in the description box if you want to know. So I am featuring the Nubian II Palette by Juvia's Place in this video. I'm going to use Madagascar and Morocco. I'm going to start with Madagascar and I'm going to put that in my crease, and then I'm going to come back in with Morocco and place that right up under, like further into the crease. As you can see, what I'm doing with Madagascar is like bringing it up closer to my brow bone, but with Morocco I'm going to put it just really deep in the crease.
What you gonna do?
And now I'm just taking both shades and just blending them out. And now I'm going back in with Madagascar to make sure that Morocco isn't so deep. Now I'm going in with Nairobi and I'm going to put that on the lid. As you can see, I have a lot of what do you call it? I don't have like a lot of eyeball lid space, but I have a lot of space in the eyes, but I don't know, I can't describe it. Where the yellow stops is where like my eyeball is. So that's what I'm talking about as far as lid space. So I'm just going back and forth in between Morocco and Nairobi. Is it Nairobi or Nairobi? I don't know. Anyway, so yeah. So I'm taking this Pixi Endless Silky eye pen in the color Rose Glow, and I'm just putting that in my waterline. And then I'm going to go in with It Cosmetics mascara. This is the Superhero mascara. I'm just going to put that on my top lashes for right now, and then I'm going to go in with some lashes. These lashes, I think I used the Creme lashes, the D-Wipsy lashes, so I'm just gonna stick those on, and then I'm gonna go back in with that It Cosmetics mascara and put that on those lashes and my bottom lashes. So right now I'm just taking those same colors that I used on my eyes and I'm just putting it on my lower lash line.
I'm doing it all. The feeling is
So to set my face, I'm going to set it using the Urban Decay Cherry Makeup Setting Spray. This stuff smells so good. So good. Okay, so as you can see, this is when I come back in and put the mascara on my bottom lashes. And then, what am I going to do next? I think I'm going to do the highlighter next. For highlighter, I am using the Smashbox Vlade Petal Metal Highlighter. Boy, that is a mouthful. In the color Gilded Rose, and I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I may have put highlight. I don't know if I used, maybe I did use highlighter, I don't know. But anyway, so for the lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop lip liner in BFF3, and I'm just blending that in, just pressing my lips together. Mwah. And then I'm going to go in with Dose of Colors lip gloss in the color Honey I'm Home. This is becoming one of my favorite lip glosses. It looks so pretty on, and you don't even have to use it with the lip liner. You can use it by itself and it's still pretty. Anywho's, so that is it. This is my face. I hope you liked what you see. If you do, leave me a comment down below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
everywhere.